December 22nd is celebrated as India's National Mathematics Day. The day marks the birth anniversary of self-taught Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan and his contributions in the field of mathematics. Ramanujan was born on December 22, 1887 into a Tamil Brahmin family in Madras Regency. The main objective behind celebrating the day is to raise awareness among the people about the importance of mathematics for the development of humanity and the importance of National Mathematics Day. The day is recognized to commemorate his greatness and contributions in the field of mathematics like infinite series, number theory, mathematical analysis, etc.
Hello everyone, my name is Purvi Gautam from Rotary Public School. Today I am going to present a story, a mathematical story. The topic for the story is interesting integers. It was the month of December. Winter had already started. A child named Sahil checked the temperature on his mobile phone. The temperature was minus 35 degrees Celsius. Sahil was confused as the weather was very cold outside, but the temperature was 35 degrees. He did not notice the minus sign before 35. Then Sahil went to his father and asked him, "See Dad, in the mobile phone the temperature is showing 35 degrees, but the weather is too cold outside. Is there any fault in the app?"
Let me check.
Then Sahil's father noticed the minus sign before 35 degrees.
Sahil, you haven't noticed the minus sign before 35 degrees.
It hardly matters, Dad. Then Sahil's father said,
No, Sahil, it matters a lot. Even there is a concept of maths based on it. It's known as integers.
"Really, Dad? I didn't know that. I'll ask my maths teacher to explain it to us." The next day, when Sahil visits his school, he asks his teacher to make him understand integers. Good morning, teacher. Please explain us the concept of integers.
Yes, I will explain, but not now. First, I want to take your test.
The teacher gives the test to the whole class from the chapters that were not of their level, and also did negative marking, because of which no one scored good marks.
Oh no, I have got just 2 marks out of 10.
That's not good. By the way, I have got 8 out of 10, but teacher has written -8 by mistake. Oh, I think I have also got -5 by mistake in my notebook. Let's ask him. They went to their teacher and asked him.
You all wanted to know the concept of integers, so to make you understand, I gave you a very difficult test, so that you get marks with minus sign. I haven't put minus by mistake. Those are your actual marks. Let's do an activity to make your concept more clear.
Yes, please show it to us.
An activity to understand the concept of comparing integers. A number line showing increasing and decreasing order of integers. There are two numbers, -5 and -7, with 0 in between. The number that is bigger is shown as heavier. I hope you all must have understood the concept of integers.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sar Malhotra representing Rotary Public School Gurugram in eMathmania, the online math fest. I have always been curious to study and research about the application of mathematical concepts we study in our books and in our daily lives. Today, I would like to share one such derivation that I discovered while studying about the great wonders of the world. All of us are aware about the fact that there are seven wonders in the world, and they are Petra in Jordan, Great Wall of China in China, Machu Picchu in Peru, Citizen Itza in Mexico, Christ the Redeemer in Brazil, Colosseum in Italy, and the Taj Mahal in India. These seven wonders are priceless possessions of these countries, and I have selected the Taj Mahal. Without any doubt, every Indian is proud of Taj Mahal. A lot of Indian and foreign tourists flock it and are amazed to see its beauty. Taj Mahal is one of the excellent example to study the application of mathematical concepts. Introduction of Monument. The Taj Mahal evokes awe and admiration. One feels overpowered by the architectural marvel and its breathtaking beauty. The distressed Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan specially made the tomb upon the demise of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Today, it is one of the most famous and recognizable buildings in the world, and domed marble tomb is the most familiar part of the monument. Mathematical topics covered. Bilateral symmetry. The astonishing symmetry of the building is a feature worth mentioning. The equal distance of windows and doors from one another, the creation of the minars, the proportion of the domes to the archways. When this calculated the area and volume for the building, they only required to measure half the actual building due to the building's mirror or bilateral symmetry, which are given in the following pictures. We have an amazing fact. The four minars surrounding the Taj Mahal in Agra are designed with a slight outward lean to protect the Taj in case they collapse. The tilt seeks to ensure that the minars will fall away from the tomb in case of calamities such as an earthquake. The next topic we are going to cover is reflection symmetry. The reflection of Taj Mahal in the pool in front of it, it is usually shallow and calm so that a visitor can see a reflection of the memorial in the water. We have another amazing fact. The architecture of Taj Mahal has British, French, Mughal, Arabic and Hindu influences. Reflection symmetries also in certain decorations made from precious and exquisite stones inlaid on white and translucent marble. The last topic we are going to cover is hexagonal patterns. Hexagonal tiling and symmetry for the drain. In other locations, the tiling pattern combines regular hexagons with six-pointed stars on the pathways. Designing the Taj Mahal. The tomb and its associated structures were designed around the ideologies of reflection and repetition. The tomb itself is basically a cube with deep corners to give it an octagonal cross-section. The four sides are identical, each one featuring a huge vaulted archway. Four minars frame the tomb. All in all, the Taj Mahal is surely one of the world's most impressive and beautiful examples of the use of symmetry in architecture and design. Thank you for your precious time.
Good morning everybody. My name is Kimaya of class 9 of Rotary Public School. It's a great pleasure for me to take part in string art competition, which is a graphic form of art. It is a wonderful combination of arts and mathematics in which concepts of lines, angles and curves are used. Now I am going to make string art design using a cardboard, nails and different colors of wool. First we have to take a wooden cardboard and mark the center of the board. Draw marks at a distance of 30 centimeter. Mark at 7 mm on every second line. I have made a base design on it using geometry. Now I have fine nails on the cardboard. Now we have to put nail at every mark that we have made. Now I start tying wool in geometric progression line. Like I have tied in first nail and then to 12th. Now we have to put it in reverse. I've put the second layer with the same method we used in first layer. At last, here is the beautiful design ready using string art. In this design, we have used line segments, angles, curves and patterns. Hence, the best way to learn maths is to do maths. I wish a very creative maths week to all of you.
My Architecture, My Monument is a project created using the SketchUp software depicting the different mathematical concepts used in architecture. The monument is symmetrical in shape with two similar monuments attached to it on both the sides. The monuments are attached to our base model using a ramp which is actually a right angled triangle representing the concept of Pythagoras theorem. The different solid shapes used are cubes, cuboids, hemispheres, pyramids, domes, etc. Some element of the monument and the fountains are built using the concept of concentric circles, which makes it look more presentable. Thank you and wishing you all a great year ahead.